Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a gut-friendly, probiotic-rich salad recipe ideal to include in your healthy weight loss diet. So let's get started with the recipe. To make the salad dressing, into a bowl, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon cold-pressed olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon red chili flakes, half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder, half teaspoon sea salt or as needed, juice of half a lemon, and give this all a good mix. 1 medium-sized zucchini chopped, 1 medium-sized onion chopped, 2 tablespoon coriander leaves finely chopped, 1 medium-sized avocado chopped, and now I'm going to give this all a good mix. And now I'm going to add in my homemade sauerkraut to make it more gut friendly and probiotic rich. I have already shared how to make sauerkraut at home. Please do check the recipe. Links will be updated below this video in the description box. Sauerkraut is nothing but naturally fermented cabbage. It also has a slightly sour taste along with its health benefits. The health benefits of sauerkraut are immense. Always try to include naturally fermented foods in your diet so that you can make your gut microbiome more healthy. Into this I'm adding in 2 tablespoons sauerkraut, and lastly I'm adding in about a handful of radish microgreens. And my super healthy avocado salad rich in gut friendly probiotics is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy avocado salad and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.